beautiful Mustang. Now later on in the video portion, we'll have that tire back on with you working with that.
That's the pace car for Summit Racing. So.
Corporate covered shots here, more than likely.
Product photography. Can.
One on the left was Akron University a few years ago.
So this would be, you know, a cover of a trade magazine or
annual reports.
Yeah.
Nowadays, it's a lot of internet.
It's a lot of detail. Not everyone has an eye for detail like this. It really takes a lot of work to make things look good, especially products.
So there's a local company, Swenson's. They've been around, man, that Galley Boy.
Yeah, this
billboard.
That's my favorite car shot. That is just beautiful.
It looks like a Lamborghini.
Absolutely.
Actually, Ferrari mid-engine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Here's some of the studio capabilities. This gives you kind of a blank canvas for what's in the studio at the Art Factory.
The cyc wall itself is 14 feet high, 45 feet wide. You can see a good shot of it there. That is in a studio room of 60 by 80 feet with a drive-in door, side door.
Yeah, the drive-in door is actually 13 feet high, so you can drive just about anything into there. And here's some of the smaller things that Bruce has photographed, marbles. So pretty much anything in between, from marbles to big cars and trucks. This is part of the broadcasting capabilities. This is Goodyear.
That was a Goodyear uplink
segment
there.
Mm-hmm.
For about 45 minutes they were live to the world.
All right, guys, this is that website for you, gatesphoto.com.
You say the website is being produced right now as we speak. It's not up and running yet?
The Art Factory's website is a work in progress.
Okay.
We're still working on that one, but Bruce's photography is available at www.gatesphoto.com.
Okay, folks, what we're going to do is go to a break. When we come back, we've got Michael and that crane, integral part of everything that we've seen thus far, and all the shots that we've seen, even some of the commercials that are regular commercials on my TV show. A lot of crane work, and you obviously you're recognizing, yeah, there's a crane shot, there's a crane shot. Let's go to a break. When we come back, we'll show some of that work, and Mike, it's all yours, baby.
All right.
Right after this, don't go away. Hi folks, this is HandyRandy, and I would like to take a moment to recommend Cole's Garage at 876 South Arlington Street in Akron. Mark Cole, one of the finest technicians in the area, employs ASE trained specialists in drivability, computerized four-wheel alignment, and air conditioning experts. Bumper-to-bumper repair, honest and highly respected in the industry. Try Cole's Garage at 876 South Arlington Street. Tell them HandyRandy sent you.
Good morning, son. Great to see you. Wonderful weather we're having.
You said it, Pop.
Hey, did you look online at Napa's huge parts inventory?
Yeah, I even bookmarked it.
Bookmarking NapaOnline.com was a great idea. Paulie's a brilliant boy.
Just look at all these great parts. It's like Partland in there.
Wow, it's a veritable cornucopia. You're a good son. Pick you up later for ice cream.
Attention shop owners, join the professionals. ASA, the Automotive Service Association, represents the professionals in the auto repair industry. Group insurance, credit unions, Washington representation, liability insurance discounts, free wage and labor hotline, product discounts, and much, much more. You owe it to yourself and your staff to consider ASA. Call today and tell them Handy Randy sent you.
One of Handy Randy's favorites is Stan's Auto Sales and Service. Located at 1465 South Main Street in Akron, they're one of our area's first Napa Auto Care locations. That means quality parts as well as quality people. Stan's is a family-run complete repair facility. Well known for their fast and fair service, call them with any of your auto or light truck needs. That's Stan's, 330-773-3391. Hey, welcome back to Handy Randy Show. Hey, if you just joined us, you missed the V-Twin Girls. Too bad. Should have been watching. Next week, not telling you the type of car it is, I think this car, well, first off, it's one of the fastest production cars in the world. It may be the fastest production car in the world. It's going to be on the Handy Randy Show next Sunday night. We went and visited Palmertown Mall over the weekend. Cops and Rodders were up there doing an indoor car show. Got a lot of cool video, a lot of cool cars. The season is officially underway. In the studio, Elizabeth Roberts, Michael Gates, and we did some cool shots of my car utilizing a crane. We put Chris, that's in the studio right now, he's still recuperating from, because he's afraid of heights. And go ahead and run that, Chris,
Was he,
if you're able to. What do we have here, Mike?
Here we go. Basically, you would think that's animation, but we actually have a Goodyear tire suspended in the air, and we put the Goodyear cameraman, Dave Wright, on the camera crane, and we fly around the tire. A little special lighting, and if you look closely, its tire is truly prepped nicely. Dave Wright at Goodyear's been doing it for 30 years now, so he knows.
It looks like it's suspended in air. Very cool.
And here gives you an idea that we were actually shooting a tire that was suspended in air. The camera is clamped on the camera crane arm there. That's Dave Wright. It's actually on an axle, a truck axle, poking out through the curtain.
I think maybe one of these shots you can actually see the machine finally. But boy, it's cloaked pretty well. Right there, you
There,
can,
a little
there
bit
you
on the
can
right,
see
you
it.
can
Yeah.
see. That is the camera crane itself.
Now what do we have? Well, first off, this must be pretty old. Look at that cell phone, man.
It's shot back in the early 90s. When I first got my crane, we decided to do some demo shots. This is Sherry McLean telling her boss she's sick. Up? Man, that's sick.
Ah, what a life.
That's out in Montrose, friend's house. Yes, I love the crane shots. Get about 5 shots all put together in one.
And again, that's also a shot in the area.
Correct, the pool right there was behind it. This is out in front of the house. Start low and end up with the high shot.
You know, we have one of the programs we do here is a real estate program. And I could think also those out there that sell real estate or commercial buildings, how useful this type of production capability would be
True.
on advertising homes.
This is out at the firm out in Medina that makes lawnmowers. That's their testing ground we're looking at. I rented the crane out to the gentleman who's in charge of the PR out there. He wanted to show the crane off to his folks. Here's some commercial spots we did with the camera crane. West Side Auto in Cleveland. That is the owner of West Side Auto. It ends up Goodyear Tire is my favorite client with the crane. We've been out to the test track with it, in their tech center. Now it would normally take you 5 or 6 different setups with the camera to get all these views. You can do it in one shot with the crane. They're basically promoting the pop drink on the new tractor here.
And then finally, we have a slideshow. And Chris, we have that ready. Let's go ahead and run that, and take a second to get that queued up. And basically, these are photos that Bruce made of the day that we did the promo in a commercial for Freedom Wax, the yellow motorcycle and the car.
Beautiful. Basically all still shots here.
I love the paint job on that Liberty Harley. There's a shot of the V-twin, girls.
Who was riding the crane? Was that Chris on the crane there?
Beautiful Porsche. Again, the right lighting makes all the difference.
The models help.
Yeah. Legs never hurt.
Crane shot would be my guess, unless you threw a
Bruce might have
camera up
used the
in there.
scissor lift on that one. I'm not sure. Here's a nice pacing shot.
Another Porsche. How do you do that?
Bruce told me he did that handheld and just a slow shutter speed. Panned with the car.
Huh.
Beautiful.
See, that's the kind of work that I'm talking about. For you folks out there that have the custom cars, if you want to make a collectible portfolio of your automobile, you know, you have a car like that car, it could easily be worth $50,000, $60,000, and you want to keep those or put a portfolio together for your car when you enter a car show. Hey, it's 1-800-238-9050,
There you go. Great
and there's
studio
Elizabeth. You know why she likes it? Because it's the most expensive car on the show.
Hey, what can I say? I am female. I think there's Summit Racing. There's their pace car. So, beautiful work by Bruce Gates.
We can just about get 2 or 3 cars in there in the 60 by 80 studio production space. There's a promotional piece we recently sent out all over Cleveland. Little dry ice used in that shot.
And there's a car in that photo too, guys. I'm going to say that's a Ford. I'm going to say it's close to about a 37, 38, 39 Ford. And then your campers. Can't beat a Corvette.
That is a mid-engine Ferrari, not sure on the year. Oh, here we go. That's the last shot of the Ohio Auto stage that was built. Friend of mine, Gary up in Cleveland with EDR Beechwood on the camera crane. We did a green screen shoot recently for all those special effects.
There it is, folks. 1-800-238-9050, 535-2221. Bruce Gates Photography. Thanks, Elizabeth. Thanks, Michael. Folks, thanks for watching. We'll see you next week right here on the Handy Randy Show. Oh, what do you mean?
Look at
Stretch.
stretch out. Well,
We
Randy,
got, oh, I know why. Because we got to get Chris in the studio. He's running the whole studio.
Okay.
And getting the commercials all set up. And he's got to have time to take a breath. Now we can go to a break. And see you next week here on the Handy Randy Show. Thanks, folks. See
Thank
ya.
you, Randy.
Chris, ready now? Ready? Okay, thanks.
Jerry's Six Corners Garage. Located at 934 Southeast Avenue. Call 330-633-4711. Open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. We specialize in renovations. Call today for Jerry's many years of expert words of wisdom.
I'm just ecstatic with this bike, Polly. You did a great job.
Thanks, Dad. You're the best.
Everyone around